Hi, my name is Daryl Garrett. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at the Foundry Ministries. This is the new Resource Center. Drug and alcohol recovery, it's very complex. So once you go through recovery, then you've got to start putting your life together. The Resource Center will be available with 2 independent laptops and a smart board for learning to teach our program participants soft skills. They can log onto a laptop, learn how to do financial responsibility, open a loan checking account, obtain a driver's license, complete their GED. We also have a smart board now that is throughout all of our campuses, so we can have one educator teaching a class on how to interview, how to complete a resume, and that class will be broadcast to all of our campuses at one time. We could be just one mistake away from being trapped in drug and alcohol addiction ourselves. One physical or emotional trauma would be all it would take to find ourselves in the same position that our program participants in, and then we would just need the help and the resources that we're offering them to set ourselves free and get our life back. It is our hope here at the Foundry that this new Resource Center will be one of those essential tools that our program participants can use to get their life back together.